Hey everybody, it's John CC. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. So there's a lot of things I want to update on Bitcoin. I don't think I could do it in one Twitter post, so I'm deciding to do a video update for you guys. Jumping right into things, I tweeted out yesterday that we were looking for the triangle play, right? Either we had the potential flat play with the 5 waves going down, or we had the triangle play with 3 waves going down. I was not able to catch any shorts. I was trying to look for a bounce from the A to B into this area, like around 12,000, but it ended up just dumping straight down into the 618 around 10,945. If we look at the chart, we dumped right into 10,944.5, so I was about 50 cents off. So I do think that the triangle is in play. I don't really know if this is actually an ABC. I'm not so convinced. It doesn't really look like one. And when I look at lower time frames, I'm not able to make out a good count. So I'm not entirely sure if this is the correct count. But for the time being, I'm just going to let it be. There might be one more move down to test this area again at 10,940. But I'm not quite sure. So real quick, the reason why I think that this is actually the triangle forming and that I was right since the beginning, since we were here, that we could form a triangle as this wave fork is because of this. So in a corrective wave triangles, we can measure the fib retracements going from the A to B and the C. And so we can expect a 78.6% retrace from the B, from the start to the A, and then a 618 retrace of A to B to make the C. So if we look at the chart, we got that for the C. We got the 618. Real quick, I drew this in probably in another chart before. Take away 618. There we go. Started from the A. So boom, we hit pretty close. Let me just check if the log is on. We hit pretty close, 13,048. It did wick up, but if you look at all these candles, the bodies of the wicks are all under this fib level. So I do consider this as a good confluent indicator. We hit the 786. Here with the bottom of the triangle, we had the 618. So I do think the triangle is in play. Moving forward, I don't know. Wait. Yes, let me just earmark these pieces. So I did want to see the triangle come down potentially into this area, like 10,600. If we look, the 200 EMA is right here. So I was hoping to hit this demand zone right here. But we bounced pretty heavily here. Like this isn't a bearish indicator at all. This completely bounced up, retraced this entire move down. So this is looking like it's starting to make its way up. So I'm gonna redraw this triangle like this. And so we have the top of the B wave. So we can expect D to end somewhere here maybe, and then maybe the E coming here for failure. Probably in the next week or so. Over the weekend, probably going to get a long grind. I'm expecting maybe something like this to retest this broken area. Or we could come down, do something like this. Or we could come down a little lower to retest the 618. That would make the triangle look like this. If we look at lower time frames, I'll start at the hour first. If we look at the hourly, like I can't make this count out. Like maybe this is an A, this is a running flat B, no, expanding flat, excuse me, B. But I only count 3 waves down here for the C. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 truncated fifth for the C, but it didn't really hit that fib level. So this is the most confluent detector right here because it hit the 618. So I'm not really sure what this is. This could be an ABC or a 1, 2, 3. I have no idea yet. It's too early to tell. If we look at the 15, Yeah, it's like what is this? One, two, three, four. I have no idea. I'm not sure. So the main point is for me, I'm not trading this. I missed this long here. I had this earmarked. I didn't put the orders in. I actually saw. I watched this last night. I saw this happen, but I was kind of confident that we'd come down here maybe to test this area, but we didn't because I wanted to see this EMA hit. We did, however, hit the. We broke the 100 and then we bounced right above. So this is kind of like a fake out. I retested here. I went to bed. I woke up this morning and it was up here. So I'm not quite sure what's going to happen. As I said, I think that we could come back down, retest this area. We could just continue grinding and then come up for the D, and then eventually make our way down for the E. This is the area I'm looking to play next. I have no interest in shorting the D. I think the D short is kind of a dumb play. You don't know when the E is going to end, and it's not that. It's a bit risky. You don't know how, like, the movement's not going to be that large. There is a chance that the triangle is not the right count. Maybe it's like an A and then A, B, C, D, E, and then we go down. But so far, it's looking like what I've been predicting since the beginning, that this is going to be a wave for correction. This is going to be a triangle. I will be looking to heavily long this E. For the moment, I'm a little burnt out, so I think I'm going to go into this weekend, just kind of take my mind off things, just relax a little bit. Still analyze the charts, but I won't be making any plays. Just doesn't seem worth it to me at this point. If you got the C leg here, I think it's a good idea to probably just take profits when this D hits, and then read long when the E comes down here. So your position is still locked in from here. I think this is a good position. A couple people from my Discord ended up taking this last night. I was kind of on the fence about it. I know that everyone in the Discord has probably closed their short already, and we're all looking to probably long this E right here. Last thing I want to look at is momentum. If we look at momentum real quick on the wave trend, 4 hour is giving us a bullish signal. We bounced off of this 100 EMA right here, and it was quite a good bounce. Like, this is a really fat candle. We're rejecting currently off of the 50. If we can kind of reclaim this area, maybe we test it and make our way up for the D. Something like this. We know that the order block is going to be here. There's one, and then, of course, this one as a resistance. I don't expect us to break through at all. It just doesn't seem likely at all, considering that volume has declined. This was something that I was mentioning yesterday. If we wanted to see the flat play with the 5 waves going down, volume should have gone up like this, but we ended up going down. Alright guys, so that's it. Just stay alert. I think that this E wave could be a pretty good long. I will come up with another update once we get to this point, if we get to this point, about future projections and where I think we're going to go. But overall, guys, just have a good weekend, trade safe, and yeah, don't make any FOMO mistakes and let the trade come to you.